Ever wondered why protective gear is so vital when riding a motorcycle? Let's dive into this topic and unravel the mysteries behind the various types of protective gear for motorcycle riding. Motorcycle riding is an exciting, exhilarating experience that comes with its share of risks. Protective gear acts as a shield, providing a layer of safety between the rider and potential danger. But not all gear is created equal. Different types of riding require different types of protection. Consider touring, for instance. Touring involves long hours on the road, often through varying weather conditions. The ideal protective gear for touring includes a full-face helmet for optimal safety, a touring jacket with adequate ventilation, and protective pants with knee and hip armor. Comfort is key here, as riders may be on their bikes for extended periods of time. On the other side of the spectrum, we have MotoGP, a world where speed and precision take center stage. Here, the gear is designed for protection at high speeds and in the event of high-impact crashes. Full leather suits with built-in armor, racing boots, and gloves, along with full-face helmets with tear-off visors, are the norm. These items provide the best protection possible, while also allowing the rider to move freely and maintain control of their bike. Then there's dirt riding. This type of riding involves navigating rough terrains and dealing with a lot of dust and debris. Therefore, the protective gear for dirt riding must be rugged and durable. Motocross helmets with extended chin bars and visors, goggles, off-road jackets, and motocross boots are some of the essentials for dirt riders. And let's not forget about urban commuting. In a busy city, riders need gear that offers protection, but also convenience. Modular helmets, armored jackets, and gloves with touchscreen compatibility are among the top choices for urban riders. In conclusion, the importance of protective gear in motorcycle riding cannot be overstated. It's a crucial aspect of the ride that can make the difference between a minor scrape and a serious injury. But remember, the best protective gear varies depending on the type of riding. For touring, comfort and versatility are key. For MotoGP, high-speed protection is a must. For dirt riding, durability takes precedence. And for urban commuting, convenience without compromising safety is the goal. So next time you gear up for a ride, remember to choose the right gear for the right ride. Because when it comes to motorcycle riding, safety should always be your top priority.